Welcome back to today's episode, where we're exploring a breakthrough in higher education, EON Reality's launch of the EON Accredit platform.
That's right. Accreditation has always been necessary, but let's face it, most faculty see it as a nightmare. Endless binders, manual data collection, and last-minute scrambles.
Exactly. What EON Accredit does is completely change the game. Instead of relying on retrospective paperwork, the system captures evidence of learning automatically, in real time, as students engage in XR simulations.
Which means every experiment, every task, every decision a student makes is recorded as verifiable, performance-based data. And that data is instantly mapped to accreditation standards.
So when institutions face an audit, they don't scramble anymore. They're already ready. One click generates audit-ready reports, freeing faculty to spend more time teaching rather than policing or compiling documents.
And let's not forget the employers. This kind of continuous, objective evidence restores confidence in the value of credentials. Degrees become meaningful proof of skill again.
In short, EON Accredit is solving one of the most persistent problems in academia while empowering both institutions and students.
A true transformation, and that's why this is being called the end of the accreditation treadmill.
Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.